This forecast update effective around 11:30 Eastern Standard Time on Tuesday, November 19th, 2013. And guys, if you've been following along, you know that since the end of October, we posted that we were entering an active phase for this side of the Northern Hemi, and we have since entered that active phase. We also told you that this is a time of year that extreme events can happen, and I believe you can see that what we said holds true with what happened Sunday with the severe tornado outbreak. Now, models are trending towards another extreme event is going to occur in the extended forecast. Right now, we've got another extreme event setting up over the Atlantic with a major swell event. Highest seas forecast for a new low that could develop near Labrador, seas building in excess of 30 feet. But this is what it looks like at the moment, guys. We've got Tropical Storm Melissa that formed up yesterday out here in the central Atlantic. Highest seas forecast with this system 28 feet in the next 24 hours. So large swells heading for the islands, Puerto Rico, Hispaniola, and over in towards the Bahamas. East Florida, we are looking for some increasing swell periods. Unclear at the moment with the high pressure wind swell mixed in with it, how that's all going to pan out. We're going to be taking a closer look at that over the next day or so. But right now, Melissa is forecast to move off towards the northeast and possibly get absorbed into this low pressure system that was previously over the Great Lakes. Now, this is the low pressure system that moved through the United States, through the Great Lakes through Sunday, and this is the frontal boundary line now that is pushed off into the Atlantic that created all of those tornadoes. So we've got a setup here that we're going to be watching as it's possible that Melissa get wrapped up into this low and a new storm develop right in here, increasing a northwest swell. There's indications now in the forecast that some 16 to 18 second swell periods are going to develop out of that storm system. So we're going to show you that here in just a second. Also, it is not out of the question that we could see Nestor form up out here and replace Tropical Storm Melissa. Models have been kind of hinting at that, and we're seeing a little bit of evidence in the satellite presentation now. There is another area of low pressure over here in the Gulf of Mexico, but that looks to move off towards Texas and or Mexico and dissipate. But that's along the old frontal boundary line. But guys, we are in an active phase, and models have been hinting at very active coming up. We could see some extreme cold by Thanksgiving, could see some major snowfalls by Thanksgiving, could see another tropical system form up. There's lots of stuff to watch at the moment, guys. This is probably the most activity we've seen in quite a while. Lots of pure energy. Stay tuned, and we're going to take a look at the models next.